We are doing mathematics, and in mathematics we are in quadratic equation. How to find out the solution of the quadratic equation? In the last video, I did explain about the definition of quadratic equation, which has only one variable, and where the coefficient a is not equal to 0, and a, b, and c are a real number. So this is the definition of quadratic equation. And in another form, you can write down practically like 2x square plus 6x. Here is 3x. 3x. So journal form, you can do another equation, but I did this one. So this is all the practical solution. So how we can find the solution of quadratic equation number? First, we can do by factorization. Second, completing square. This is also the method where we can find the solution of quadratic equation in exam. These are the exam question. And another third one is quadratic formulas. So here I have to do an example. Let's start. Find the solution for 4x square minus 10x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is how we can do this, find how we can solve this quadratic equation. So we know the answer. The first answer is when you compare it with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is our general form of quadratic equation. A is the first condition. A must not equal to 0, and we know that 4 is not equal to 0, so we can further find out the solution. How we gonna do it? So let's start. 4x square minus 10x plus 6 is equal to 0. Factorization means to find the factors which can easily divide the equation, and we can split it, and when we multiply it again we can get the same equation. This is the definition of factorization. So how we can do it? So we can write down 4x square 4x minus 6x plus 6 equal to 0. Here is minus 10x is equal to minus 4x minus 6x. So it's still equal to 10x because xx are the same. So you can just add the coefficient, and the variable is the same. So there is no change. If I write down like this, it's still 4x square minus 10x, but for the purpose of factorization and splitting we do like this. There are many more methods. You can divide it by division or some other thing, but this is pretty easy and it's common. So let's take 4x common. So we got x minus 1. Here you can take 6 common, and x minus 1 is equal to 0. For your for information, like if you take 4x square, you divide by 4x. So you have just only the x will remain. So this is you got x. So here is the x, and 4x divided by 4x is equal to 1. So this is how you do. So what we do in factorization, when we got common, we take 1 in algebra. and in mathematics. So 4x minus 6 into x minus 1. So mm, this is the solution of this quadratic equation. You can find it. So here is if you want to check it, we're gonna do it in separate because the time will increase. It's 5. uh, we can do it in the next one. You can also check the solution. Check solution, but let's do it in a practical example in another video. Thank you and have a nice day. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.